Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been some time since I have done a haul video and you guys know I love trying out new website. So this time around I'm trying out this website called Dresslily, which is a pretty famous international website which caters to clothing, both men and women, accessories, lingerie, homeware, kitchen tools, toys, and the list is practically endless. Really excited for today's haul because I picked up some amazing clothing. Now before diving into the video, you guys know what you have to do. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel and be a part of my YouTube family, and also don't forget to follow me on my Instagram page because you know I post a lot of content related to my personal style on a daily basis that I know you would love. Now let's get started. Now as I was telling you guys, Dresslily is a pretty famous international website. They have some pretty amazing fashion clothing. For someone like me who loves shopping, definitely had to try this website. All the products that I'm going to be showing you here today are kindly sent by Dresslily, but I have chosen them personally and all my reviews as usual are going to be honest. Now let's get started with the first dress, and that is this particular one. It is a maxi dress which pretty much looks like a gown. I especially loved it because of the floral print on it. I didn't have anything like this in my closet. I definitely had to add this one in my collection. I love the combination of blues and white here. I really would recommend you guys to get this one because this one is very comfortable. It's a little long. I'm 5'3" and I have to wear heels first to get the perfect look. Otherwise it's a bit long for me, but I'm not complaining. And this particular one can be worn for parties. It's a beautiful evening wear. Go ahead and get this one, guys. I'm very impressed with the material of the product. This can definitely be worn during summer days, summer evening as well. So guys, as usual, I'm going to be leaving the links of the products, so all you need to do is go ahead and click the links in the description box below so as to get the products of your choice. Also guys, I have another surprise for you all. If you use my code, which is on the screen and in the description box below on Dresslily's website, then you are going to get 20% off. Isn't it amazing? Now moving ahead, let's take a look at the second outfit, and that is this pretty blue dress. Now you can tell I had a thing for blue maybe while picking up the outfits. This one is so pretty. Another dress which can be worn during daytime as well as at night time. Because of this pretty color, it will make a beautiful summer dress if you have some afternoon parties to attend to, or if you have a cocktail party at night, you can wear this dress. It's very comfortable. It's a bit skin hugging, so I would definitely recommend you guys to go a size up if you're choosing this. It's very comfortable. I especially picked this one up because of this amazing color and the style of it. It has got lace details at the bottom which kind of attracted me towards it, if you can tell. If you love dresses like this which are not too short at the same time, not too long, you can wear it. Moving on to the next one, and that is this pair of white pants, and I love this one. This is more of a leggings material. It's pretty stretchy. I especially picked this one up, if you can tell, because of this tie-up detail going on at the side. It looks very boho chic, and these kind of tie-up details are very in nowadays. As I told you, it's a bit stretchy, so it's very comfortable. White pants are definitely must have in your closet. I was actually in the hunt for these kind of pants for a really long time. Finally I found it on Dresslily. They were not that expensive, which is another plus, and I'm so in love with it. I definitely cannot wait to style this one. Now are you ready for the next one? This one, it is so beautiful. It absolutely suits my style. It is pink and white and it has got floral details. Absolutely a fit for spring summer days. It looks very pretty. I have already worn it and given a pic on my Instagram page, and so many of you liked it, and I personally am in love with it. I actually have gone a size up with it. I should have gone a size down, but I'm not complaining. It looks very pretty and very beautiful on you. If you have a feminine style, then you definitely have to pick this one up, guys. It is very comfortable on the skin. It's very light material, and this one is not too short, as you can tell. You should not miss this one. Now moving on to accessories, you guys know I definitely have to pick up accessories, otherwise I feel that my haul is incomplete. Now the first accessory that I picked up is a bag, which is this one. Now these kind of straw and raffia bags are really in nowadays. They have been going strong in trend since last year, and I was meaning to pick something like this for a really long time now. Finally I picked this one up from Dress Lily, and I'm really happy with the quality of the product. If you open it up, you can see you have got a clothing layer within, and it is very light. I wouldn't recommend you guys to carry too much of your stuff inside the bag, but keep it light. These kind of bags look really nice with your summer outfits. Absolutely love the material of it. It is very pretty, something which is going to be in trend for a long time. So yeah, I'm really happy with it. Now moving on to the jewelry piece that I picked up, and that is these pair of earrings. How gorgeous are these? It absolutely screams boho chic. I think I've already worn it in some of my videos. I absolutely love these earrings. I have worn this outside a lot, and I'm so happy with the quality of it. These danglers with the hoop that you can see looks very pretty. I think with long maxi dresses, especially red dresses, these kind of golden jewelry looks really nice. If you love accessories and you are into hoops and these kind of boho pieces, go ahead, give this one a try. I'm sure you're gonna love this one. So yeah guys, that's it for today's video. Let me know in the comment section which was your favorite piece. I cannot choose because I loved each and every one of the pieces. If you have to choose one, then I would definitely suggest you guys to choose either from the long floral maxi dress or the midi floral pink dress that I've shown you, because these two would look absolutely amazing for parties. And don't forget round straw bag, that is a must have. I feel I love doing these kind of haul videos. If you happen to shop from the website, definitely don't forget to use my code which I have left in the description box below, so as to get 20% off. Also let me know in the comment section if you want me to try any other websites or if you want me to do any other hauls. I love you guys so much. Bye.